Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to install VirtualBox on Windows 11. So first is first, just go to any web browser and then type VirtualBox, download, and you will see here websites and tools where you can download this VirtualBox. So I'm going to select the very first link and that I can see here, tap this one. Now you should see the page and this is what it looks like. So download VirtualBox. What you're going to do is you have to focus on this side right here. And if you want to download it on your Mac OS, Linux, but this time I want to download this to my Windows 11. So click Windows right here and you should see that it is now starting to download above right here. Once done, you can go to your download folder and then this time you need to run this VirtualBox as administrator. So tap this one right here, right click, and then click run as administrator. Wait for a couple of seconds and you should see this. All you have to do is to read and then tap on next. Now agree with your terms and conditions. And then after that, tap on next. Make sure you have read everything here and then tap on next. And then review again, tap on next. Now tap on yes. Okay, click this one. And then here you have to read the following, tap on yes. And then here you have to select or make sure that you have checked this. Then click next. And then here, what you're going to do is to tap on install. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds again, or minutes, depends. And then once done, you can now open your VirtualBox. So you have to wait or go to your start menu and then search for VirtualBox. And this is what it looks like. So basically, that's how easy it is to install VirtualBox on Windows 11. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.